How to remove icons from desktop without deleting in Windows 11. If you want to remove icons from your desktop without deleting them, this video will show you how to quickly hide them in Windows 11. This method also works on Windows 10 and lets you hide apps, folders, files, shortcuts, and other desktop items without permanently deleting anything. First, go to your Windows desktop and find an empty area. Now, right-click anywhere on the desktop to open the context menu. Hover over View and you'll see a submenu with several options. Find Show Desktop Icons. If this option is checked, your desktop icons are currently visible. Click on Show Desktop Icons to turn it off. As you can see, all of your desktop icons are now hidden. Don't worry, they haven't been deleted. Your files, folders, and apps are still in their original locations. To show your desktop icons again, simply right-click on an empty area of the desktop, hover over View, and click Show Desktop Icons again. Your icons will immediately reappear on the desktop. That's how you can remove or hide desktop icons without deleting them in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.